How to purchase Amazon Prime membership. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can purchase your Amazon Prime membership. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so to keep things straight, I'll just show you a shorter way. Instead of going through all the hassle, what you can do is you can simply head into your browser, and on the search bar you can type in Amazon Prime. So once you tap on it, you can scroll down and you'll find this Amazon.com where it says Amazon Prime link, the second one, not the first one. And there now you'll be able to see the Amazon Prime here. So you can see my account is logged in directly here on the browser, so it's not asking me to log in. It's showing me we are giving off a free 30-day trial of Prime. So you can simply start your 30-day trial, and then later on it'll cost you $14.99 per month. So you can tap on start your free trial, enter in your payment method, make the payment, and you're good to go. So this way you can purchase Amazon Prime membership. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.